This dance showcases one of our more advanced pieces of choreography. You will see this dance in our full-out classes that are recommended for people that have taken several DanceBody classes and are ready for a new challenge. In this dance, you will see fast footwork and changing rhythms, making it fun, yet somewhat tricky. Dancing conditions our entire body, and this will also be a superior workout for your brain. Once you have it nailed, it'll feel really damn good. Let's strengthen up that muscle memory and put our minds and bodies to the test. If you find this dance a little bit too challenging, I want you to try one of our other dance classes or start with a sculpt class. I'm going to take you through each piece of this dance and break it down so you have all the steps. We're gonna start with our verse. So stepping out on your right leg, you're gonna scoop under 1, 2, 3, tap that foot in on 4. We're going over the head 5, 6, and then you're gonna bring it back 7, 8. So into that right leg. Think like you're opening a door. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, back 5, 6, in 7, 8. Taking your left foot, it's like you're scooping something up from the back. So we're going 1, 2, 3, serve it up on a platter on 4, and then give me a little pop back. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we really like to follow the music and follow the cadence of the song. So every time that the verse comes on, this is the section that you're going to do. Stepping into that right side. 1, 2, 3, in 4, back 5, 6, in 7, 8. Scoop that left leg. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. I have a little bend in my knees, and then I'm back 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna step on your right foot, grab 1, in 2, explode 3, down 4, give me a little shimmy, shake 5, 6, and then a whip and a whip on 7, 8. So you're shifting your weight right from here. You're stepping forward. 1, weight on 2 feet, then you're gonna take it into that left foot. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put that all together. Over into that right. 1, 2, 3, down 4, back 5, 6, up 7, 8. Scoop 1, 2, 3, hold 4, back 5, 6, 7. You step 1, in 2, explode 3, 4, shimmy 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna finish out this part. Opposition, step forward on your right. Left hand goes up 1, 2, down 3, into your chest 4, right side and left side. So let's go back just that little bit. We just took it back 5, 6, 7, 8. We're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposition. 1, change 2, down 3 at your chest 4, tap it out 5, tap it in 7, 8. From here, around your head with that left arm, step back on your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going 5, 6, 7, 8. And I actually want you to feel that little back and back and back and back. So you're getting a little ab workout while we're doing that, right? We did 1, 2, 3, in 4, tap 5, 6, tap 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your hands are glued to your hips. You're going down, down, up, step, tap, step, step. Let's talk about that turn. So hands are at our hips. We just flip, 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 flip. You're going down, down, press, down, down, press. You're gonna step on your right, tap your toe in the back on your left, step forward on your left, and then continue out of it. Let's do that a little quicker. 5, 6, 7, you have ba, 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 ba. Step 5, tap 6, 7, 8. 2 body rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that toe is gonna be out to the floor. When you do that, you wanna think your chest is going up and then you're sitting back into your hips. So all of that weight is on your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna hold 5, 6, and step 7, 8. Finishing our verse, you're gonna do a little tap to the side. 1, 2, tap to the side. 3, bring it in. 4, get your little pony horse right here. And then we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're alternating that there. Going back, 5, 6, 7, you have right, left, right, left, step 5, tap 6, 7, 8. Use those abs, Hold 5, 6, step 7, 8, tap 1, 2, tap 3, 4, down 5, up 6, down 7, up 8. That's our verse. Let's put it together. Right from that top. 5, 6, 7, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in 7, scoot that left. 1, 2, hold 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, pull it in. 1, 2, up 3, 4, shimmy 5, 6, sweep 7, 8, 1, 2, down 3, in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have right, left, left, step, tap, step, down, roll, roll, take it up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have lots of little points to work your abs, to work your balance, and also proprioception when you're doing those turns. You want to spot where you're going. So when I go into that back turn after our little shimmy shake here, I'm looking in that direction. 1, 2, 3, and that is where I'm going to end. Right here, abs take it back, abs take it back. Then you have to contract 5, 6 to hold. I want to balance 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that's just fun to finish it out. That's your verse. After our verse is going to be a little hook. This is going to come in between each part where you put your verse in your chorus. So we did down, up, down, up. You're going to step on your right. 1, throw 2, 3, throw 4, 5, 6. Now jumping from 2 feet, 7, 8. We're going all the way around. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Press 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to shimmy your shoulders right, left, right, left, right, left. Bring it together. Pop your knees to the side. So we do 1, throw 2. You're engaging your back. Press, press, up and over. Right, left, right, left. Step together. Pop it out. That's our hook. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We got to our chorus. You're gonna step on your right leg out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it together, elbow, 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 nice and sharp. So you're starting with your cross. Take your arms out of it. Just pay attention to your feet. Roll, roll, roll together, twist, twist. One more time. Roll, roll, roll together, twist, twist. Adding your arms, cross, open, cross together. Now sharp with your elbow, twist, twist. I wanna see that muscle engage. Twist, twist. Yep, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, twist, twist. You're gonna roll it to the front. 1, 2, now with nothing moving, pop your chest. 3, 4. So your arms go nice and strong to the back as your body goes forward and in. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands come to your hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna do 2 little turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue right, left, all the way around in a circle. Same idea. You wanna look where you want to end. That's our spot. We're back. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, elbow, elbow. 1, 2, pop. 3, 4, hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, pull, left, pull, hold, jumpin, jumpin. We go step into that right side. 1, hold, pull, 2, hold, pull, step together, hit. Lots of back on that pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're almost there. You're gonna do a little quick, 1, 2, up and over. So quick, slow on your walk. Hold, right, left, hold. Step into it. So we'll do just a nice little pivot turn. We just did jump, right, left, up and over, left, right, pivot, turn. We have step, tap, step, backside, front, in, out. Tricky. We're here. You're right here. You're stepping into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Hip, toe, heel, heel. What's up? Going back into that chorus. Finish. We just did jump, right, left, right. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. low. Now right here, nice and low, activating your inner thighs. Hold. You're gonna take that hip up as you come down, down, up, down. Now scoop your head through your hands. Toe, heel, easy. 3, 2, 1, what's up, what's up? Go from the beginning of that chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull it in. Step, pull, step, hold. Right, left, left. Step in, backside, front, in, out. Hold, toe, heel, stay. Awesome. You have one more section. That is our break. This is where she's saying, bounce, baby, bounce, a bounce, bounce. Shake, da. Okay, won't sing too much. Stepping into the right side, we have 2 bounces right, 2 bounces left. Heel with a little shoulder shake. Now you're gonna step on your right leg, twist, stay, whip, all the way under to scoop it back up. So lots of undulation through that midsection, lots of ab work. We had bounce, up, strong arms, bounce, up, heel, now twist. Right, left, whip. We're gonna go scoop it under, bring it up. Same thing on the left. Bounce, up, bounce, up, shake, twist, round, all the way under. We're back to our hook, down, up, shimmy, bring it together. And then you're gonna repeat your verse and your chorus one more time. That was so good. You have all the pieces that you need to go into our full out class with our dance Jumpin Jumpin.
It's jumping. Always say you got a girl, yeah, it's true, you got a man, but the party ain't gon' stop, so let's take it high. Last weekend you stayed at home alone and lonely. Couldn't find your man, he was chilling with his homies. This weekend you're going out again. Try to stop you, you going off. Got your hair done and your nails done, too. Out there and you finish shoes. You and your hoop all in at the hottest spot tonight. You're gonna find the fellas rolling in the Lexus trucks and Hummers. So we say you got a girl, yeah, it's true, you got a man, but the party ain't gon' stop, so let's make it high. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full of fun. And all you fellas, leave your girl with her friends. 'Cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full of fun. And all you fellas, leave your girl with her friends. 'Cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping. We say you got a girl, yeah, it's true, you got a man, but the party ain't gon' stop, so let's make it high. Call your boys, 'cause tonight you're not gon' stay at home. She tell your girl she ain't coming tonight, you going solo. Cut her off if she talks some noise, you know you got the right to get your party on. So get your hair cut and your car washed too. Looking like a star in your Armani suit. You need to look your best, 'cause you're turning heads tonight. You're gonna find a sexy chick out that's gon' dance all night if you wanna. We say you got a girl, yeah, it's true, you got a man, but the party ain't gon' stop, so let's make it high. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full grown. And all you fellas, leave your girl with her friends. 'Cause it's 11:30 and your club is jumping. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full grown. And all you fellas, leave your girl with her friends. 'Cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping. Sexy women do their things while ladies leave your girl with her friends. Fellas, it's 11:30 and the club is jumping. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full of ballers. And all you fellas, leave your girl with her friends. Fellas, it's 11:30 and the club is jumping. I ain't thinking about my man tonight.
I ain't worried about my girl, alright?
All you ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full of ballers. And all you fellas, leave your girl with her friends. 'Cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full of ballers.